So this is a quick overview of this here project, this space game project. We already lost. Outstanding. And I'm bad at bad at programming, apparently, which I probably, nonetheless. So just a game, jump on these platforms, you got your score at the top. If you hit an asteroid like you saw, you will die. And if you fall off the edge like this, you will die. And there's also a cloud that if you take too long, it will kill you, and this cloud speeds up. So no matter how, even if you're like really good at the game, the cloud will eventually be so fast that it will catch up to you and you will lose. So sucks to be good at the game too. Anyways, so we're gonna go over the quick hierarchy. So from Asteroid Manager, I don't know why from Asteroid Manager, employ Asteroid Manager. Don't know why I did that. So I don't know. Don't really care. Anyways, Asteroid Manager manages an array of asteroids. It manages the rotation, the movements, like the size of the asteroid, where they spawn, that sort of stuff. And then the main loop of the game will just tell every tick. Will tell the Asteroid Manager that a new tick has happened. So it's like you have your you have your main, and then you have your manager, your manager, and then you have the asteroids themselves. So you understand this. Very simple. Pygame, that's used for the display and controls. Time used for the tick rate, I believe. I don't really remember. I don't know what this is for. Pygame constants for key buttons, full screen. Sorry, there's people mowing their lawn. Background. This is mine. I made this. This is the space image in the background. So it's just two of these images, and they're stacked on top of each other. I have two of them, and when one is off the screen, it will teleport to the top. So now the one that was on the bottom is on the top. So it always looks like there is space in the background and infinitely loops. Character, we can you've got like your. What I really should have done, I should have created like an object class, so like a sprite class, because all of the sprites have these top, left, right, acceleration, and all that. All of them have an update function. Here's like the end game. I don't. And my hierarchy of managers are good, but the main logic is not, I would say. So like when here at the engine, I'm not good at making game engines or just sort of stuff. So I have an engine class. This just determines if two things are touching. So this just takes two objects. So this would be like an asteroid and a player, or an asteroid and a platform, or even not an asteroid, a character and a platform, and a if they're touching, return 1. If they're not, return 0. And then you got the Platforms Manager class that manages an array of platform objects. So here you got your platform object, and you got your platform manager. Very simple, but that's just it's better hierarchy, more object oriented, I think. I don't know why I did this. I was testing out how to import things from folders, I guess. And then here we import Asteroid Manager again, because you can never have something too many times, I guess. Once again, I don't know why. When I created this, I wasn't very good at Python, so I was just kind of playing around with it. I'm still not great with Python, but I mean, like, certainly, probably wouldn't do this again. So here's the width of the screen, here's the height of the screen, and then here's the tick rate. This is the Pygame magnet. These are just Pygame functions right here. This creates the character, creates the background class, creates a platform managers class, creates the cloud class, and then creates the asteroid manager class. This actually is kind of the constructor functions, because at this point I didn't really know how to manage multiple classes communicating with one another. So I created them so they could all like talk to themselves in a sense. So character will take platforms manager, even though character was created before platforms manager. So that's that. Here you got the tick updates array, which this just runs every function in the array, which will be for all the different sprites, the clouds, the background, the character, that all that stuff. This determines if a button is being pressed. I don't know why this is false. I don't think this is even used. Okay, this is used. Okay, never mind. Sorry. So if the game is started, this is basically like wait for a key to be pressed. And then this is the actual main loop of the game. So here you got your Python or your Pygame events. You loop through all your Pygame events. If the key is up, if the key is left, right, down, you get all this. Down doesn't do anything, I don't think. Maybe it does. I don't remember. Made this a while ago. If K up, pass, character jump, all this stuff. Yeah, so they don't do anything right now. I think I was thinking about adding stuff for them. But oh, no, that's right. They're right here. So it changes the X acceleration and changes the, which is actually really this is the acceleration. This should be the velocity. So it should be X velocity, not X acceleration. Whatever. Then you got this updates the display. This is the tick. This is basically the time between the start and the end. And then here you just wait. So this function right here, make sure it runs at an even 60 ticks per second, because I don't know how to have a asynchronous rendering and physics engine at the same time, or just engine, not necessarily physics engine, because I haven't studied it enough. I am not a professional game engine developer. I would not be opposed to, though, so because it is fun doing this sort of stuff. Anyways, that's just the main rundown of how it all works. Nothing really complicated. Very simple functions. At one point, I wanted to have more than just one platform for, because as you can see, there's only one platform every so 100 Ys, like heights. I wanted to have multiple. That's why I have the screen so wide. So, but honestly, this is a pretty. This is just very enjoyable game to play. Like I actually enjoy it, even though it's like. It's stupid. It's very simple, but I actually find it enjoyable. So. It's nothing complicated. Just wanted a quick run through, quick everything. Wanted this to be quick. Don't know how quick it is, but let's hope it's quick enough. Quick.